Welcome everyone. Today, we are looking at Topic 10 in your SS3 Physics series, Introduction to Astronomy. This is our final topic. It covers the solar system, stars, galaxies, and the universe. This topic is occasionally tested in your examinations. You must understand the basic concepts and the key terms. Pay close attention. Let us begin. First, let me explain what astronomy is. Astronomy is the scientific study of celestial objects and phenomena. It deals with the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. It includes the study of stars, planets, moons, comets, galaxies, and the cosmos. Astronomy is one of the oldest sciences. It has been practiced for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations used astronomy for navigation and timekeeping. Modern astronomy uses advanced telescopes and instruments. It has revealed a vast and complex universe. Understanding astronomy is essential for understanding our place in the universe. It helps us understand the origin and evolution of everything around us. Let us now examine the solar system in detail. Now let me explain the solar system. The solar system consists of the Sun and all the objects that orbit it. The Sun is at the center. It is a medium-sized star. It contains more than 99% of the mass of the solar system. The objects that orbit the Sun include planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. There are 8 planets in the solar system. In order of distance from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are small and rocky. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are large and gaseous. Understanding the solar system is essential for understanding our cosmic neighborhood. This is a key concept in astronomy. Now let me explain the planets. The planets are the largest objects in the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet. It is closest to the Sun. It has a very thin atmosphere. Venus is the hottest planet. It has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide. It spins in the opposite direction. Earth is the third planet. It is the only known planet with life. It has liquid water and a suitable atmosphere. Mars is the fourth planet. It is called the red planet. It has the largest volcano in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet. It has the Great Red Spot, which is a giant storm. Saturn is known for its rings. The rings are made of ice and rock. Uranus spins on its side. Neptune is the farthest planet. It has the strongest winds. Understanding the planets is essential for understanding the solar system. This is frequently tested. Now, let me explain the Sun. The Sun is a star. It is the closest star to Earth. It is about 150 million kilometers away. The Sun is a giant ball of hot gas. It is mostly hydrogen and helium. It produces energy through nuclear fusion. In the core, hydrogen nuclei fuse to form helium. This releases a huge amount of energy. The energy travels outward. It reaches the surface and is emitted as light and heat. The Sun is essential for life on Earth. It provides the energy for photosynthesis. It drives the climate and weather. The Sun has a surface temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius. Its core temperature is about 15 million degrees Celsius. Understanding the Sun is essential for understanding stars. This is a key concept. Now let me explain stars. Stars are massive, luminous spheres of plasma. They are held together by gravity. They produce energy through nuclear fusion. They are the fundamental building blocks of galaxies. Stars vary in size, mass, temperature, and brightness. The color of a star indicates its temperature. Red stars are cool. Blue stars are hot. The Sun is a yellow star. Stars are born in nebulae. These are clouds of gas and dust. They go through a life cycle. They are born, live for a period of time, and then die. The life cycle depends on the mass of the star. Understanding stars is essential for understanding the universe. This is a key concept in astronomy. Now, let me explain the life cycle of stars. A star begins as a cloud of gas and dust. This cloud collapses under gravity. It forms a protostar. When the core becomes hot enough, nuclear fusion begins. The star enters the main sequence stage. This is the longest stage. The Sun is in this stage. When a star exhausts its hydrogen fuel, it expands. It becomes a red giant, or a red supergiant. The fate of the star depends on its mass. A low-mass star becomes a planetary nebula, and then a white dwarf. A medium-mass star becomes a planetary nebula, and then a white dwarf. A high-mass star becomes a supernova. The core becomes a neutron star or a black hole. Understanding the life cycle of stars is essential for understanding stellar evolution. This is frequently tested. Now let me explain galaxies. A galaxy is a massive system of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. It is held together by gravity. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Galaxies come in different shapes. Spiral galaxies have arms. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Elliptical galaxies are round and smooth. Irregular galaxies have no definite shape. Galaxies are separated by vast distances. The nearest galaxy to the Milky Way is the Andromeda Galaxy. It is about 2.5 million light-years away. Galaxies are grouped into clusters. The Milky Way is in the local group. Understanding galaxies is essential for understanding the structure of the universe. This is a key concept. Now let me explain the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. It is a barred spiral galaxy. It is about 100,000 light-years in diameter. It contains about 100 to 400 billion stars. It has 4 spiral arms. The Sun is located about 27,000 light-years from the center. The center of the Milky Way contains a supermassive black hole. It is called Sagittarius A star. The Milky Way is part of the local group of galaxies. It is moving through space. It is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. They will merge in about 4 billion years. Understanding the Milky Way is essential for understanding our place in the universe. This is a key concept. Now, let me explain the universe. The universe is all of space and everything in it. It includes all matter, energy, planets, stars, galaxies, and the contents of intergalactic space. The universe is vast and mostly empty. It is about 13.8 billion years old. It began with the Big Bang. The Big Bang was a hot, dense state. It expanded rapidly. It is still expanding today. The expansion of the universe was discovered by Edwin Hubble. Hubble showed that galaxies are moving away from each other. This is called Hubble's law. The formula is V equals h subscript 0 times d. Here, v is the recessional velocity. H subscript 0 is the Hubble constant. D is the distance. Understanding the universe is essential for understanding cosmology. This is the ultimate topic in physics. Now let me explain the Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory is the leading explanation for the origin of the universe. It states that the universe began as a singularity. This was a point of infinite density and temperature. It expanded rapidly. This was the Big Bang. The universe cooled as it expanded. Subatomic particles formed. Atoms formed. Stars and galaxies formed. The universe is still expanding today. Evidence for the Big Bang includes the cosmic microwave background radiation. This is the afterglow of the Big Bang. It was discovered by Penzias and Wilson. Other evidence includes the abundance of light elements. The universe is mostly hydrogen and helium. Understanding the Big Bang theory is essential for understanding the origin of the universe. This is a key concept. Now let me explain the cosmic microwave background radiation. The cosmic microwave background radiation is the afterglow of the Big Bang. It is a faint radiation that fills the universe. It was discovered in 1965. It is a remnant of the early universe. The radiation has a temperature of about 2.7 Kelvin. It is very uniform. It has small fluctuations. These fluctuations are the seeds of galaxies. The cosmic microwave background is the most important evidence for the Big Bang. It confirms the predictions of the Big Bang theory. Understanding the cosmic microwave background is essential for understanding cosmology. This is a key concept. Now let me explain dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is a form of matter that does not emit light. It does not interact with electromagnetic radiation. It interacts through gravity. It makes up about 27% of the universe. Dark energy is a mysterious force. It is causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. It makes up about 68% of the universe. Ordinary matter makes up only about 5% of the universe. Dark matter and dark energy are the biggest mysteries in physics. Scientists are working to understand them. Understanding dark matter and dark energy is essential for understanding the universe. This is a key concept in modern physics. Now, let me explain the applications of astronomy. Astronomy has many applications. In navigation, astronomy has been used for centuries. Sailors used the stars to navigate. In timekeeping, astronomy is used to define time. The calendar is based on the Earth's orbit. In communication, satellites are used for communication. They are placed in orbit using astronomical calculations. In GPS, satellites are used for positioning. The system depends on astronomical knowledge. In space exploration, astronomy is used to explore the solar system and beyond. In science, astronomy helps us understand the laws of physics. Understanding the applications of astronomy is essential for understanding modern technology. This is a key topic. Now, let me explain the importance of astronomy. Astronomy is important for several reasons. First, it helps us understand our place in the universe. It answers fundamental questions. Second, it helps us understand the laws of physics. The universe is a laboratory for physics. Third, it has practical applications. It is used in navigation, timekeeping, and communication. Fourth, it inspires wonder and curiosity. It encourages scientific thinking. Fifth, it unites humanity. The universe belongs to everyone. Sixth, it helps us understand the origin and fate of the universe. Understanding astronomy is essential for physics and science. It is the ultimate frontier. Now let me give you sample exam questions to prepare you for your test. What is astronomy? Astronomy is the scientific study of celestial objects and phenomena. State the planets in order from the Sunday: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What is the Sun? The Sun is a star. Explain the life cycle of a star. A star is born in a nebula, goes through the main sequence, and then dies as a white dwarf, neutron star, or black hole. What is a galaxy? A galaxy is a massive system of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. What is the Milky Way? The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. What is the Big Bang? The Big Bang is the event that marked the beginning of the universe. What is the cosmic microwave background radiation? It is the afterglow of the Big Bang. Explain dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is invisible matter. Dark energy causes the universe to expand faster. Let me summarize everything we have covered today. Astronomy is the study of celestial objects. The solar system consists of the Sun and orbiting objects. There are 8 planets. The Sun is a star that produces energy through fusion. Stars have a life cycle. They are born in nebulae and die as white dwarfs, neutron stars, or black holes. Galaxies are systems of stars. The Milky Way is our galaxy. The universe began with the Big Bang. It is still expanding. The cosmic microwave background is evidence for the Big Bang. Dark matter and dark energy make up most of the universe. Astronomy has many applications. Understanding astronomy is essential for physics and science. This concludes our SS3 physics series. You have covered all 10 topics. I wish you the very best of luck in your examinations. Well done.